In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a book mockup in Canva. If you're creating a book cover, a workbook, or an ebook, mockups are a simple way to showcase your design in a realistic, professional setting without any complicated software. We'll keep it quick and clear so you can go from a flat cover to a polished presentation in minutes. Start by opening your project in Canva. This is the design file where you already have your artwork ready to go. Having your cover as a clean, flat image makes this process smooth, whether it's a front cover only or a full wrap. With your project open, look to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all kinds of visual assets, and it includes the mockups we need. Inside Elements, click on Mockups. This opens a curated section of ready-to-use scenes that automatically place your design onto objects. To find book options quickly, use the search field within Mockups and type the word book. You'll see a variety of styles: hardcover, paperback, minimal studio shots, and lifestyle scenes. Pick the book mockup template that best matches your brand and the angle you want to present. Choosing a clean, uncluttered mockup helps keep the focus on your cover. Once you've selected the mockup you want, it will appear on your canvas. Now it's time to add your design. Locate your cover image in your uploads or from within the project. Then click and drag the image directly onto the mockup. As you hover over the designated area, you'll see it highlight to show it's ready to accept your design. Release the mouse, and Canva will automatically place and scale your image right into the book surface. It's that simple. If you want to try a different cover variation, just drag another image over the same area and release to replace it. For best results, use a high-resolution image so the details stay crisp, especially on close-up mockups. If the mockup shows only the front, make sure the image you drop in is the front cover file, not a full spread. Clean edges, legible text, and good contrast will make the mockup look more realistic. That's all there is to it. You opened your project, went to Elements, selected Mockups, searched for book, chose a template, and dragged your design into place. With these few clicks, you can present your book like a pro and make your portfolio, shop listing, or presentation stand out.